I have bought my own Aldi mobile SIM card, $5. Okay, Aldi mobile SIM card. Now if you buy one of these, make sure you follow all the instructions inside to activate it. Okay, there are a lot of instructions on activating, but I've already done all that. So here is the SIM card. I'm now going to put it inside my car. I will leave the instructions for getting to the SIM card slot until later in the video, as this video is for you to see what happens when you put in another SIM card. Okay, so that's the BYD SIM card and that's the Aldi SIM card. I'm now going to take out the BYD. Okay, BYD is actually a Telstra SIM card, and I'm going to put the Aldi one in there.
Say that again.
Okay, so now I'm going to put the Aldi mobile SIM card into the car. Okay, and now let's see what it says on the screen. Huh, there you go, 4G. 4G on the screen. Now let's see if my app works. Okay, and here you can see that if I go into settings, I can see cellular data. Cellular data is now turned on. And then if I go to Spotify, will it connect? Okay, so I'm currently on my Aldi mobile SIM card with Spotify, and you can see popular radio. Does it actually play? So it's playing, it's working. Will it go to the BYD store? Okay, and it's loading things up. You can see it's all working. Hey guys, so what you're seeing now is the BYD phone app showing how much distance your car has left. Now, unfortunately, I have changed the SIM card back to the original BYD Atto 3 SIM that came with the car and not my Aldi mobile. And the reason for that is because none of these features would work because the BYD SIM is used to identify the car. So without the BYD SIM, your phone actually can't find your car. So all of these features where you can lock, unlock, turn the lights on, things like that, and show you whether the doors are open, things like that, none of these will work with your own Aldi SIM. Okay, so just thought you guys should know that before you try to swap your SIM. I'm going to have to pull out the SIM card and put it back in. I will show you how to do that. Okay, first thing is to open the glove box. Now what you want to do is you want to squeeze this way along the top. Right? By squeezing, it allows you to pull it out. So you'll see it. Squeeze. Allows you to squeeze along the top. Allows you to pull it out like this. Once you pull it out, the bottom will come off. Right? Now you can see a little round stick here. You're going to have to snap this back on at the end to close it up again. Then you're going to pull it out from the bottom here. Pull it out. Okay, so you can see I have a SIM card tool. I'm now going to poke at the hole with it. Okay, I'm going to pull this out. There's the SIM card. Okay. Take off the SIM card. Make sure the SIM card fits into the slot exactly. You should hear a little sound as it clicks in. Okay, make sure it's completely flat, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, so this is how you put it in. Make sure that the gold bit is on the bottom as you slot it into the SIM card slot. As soon as you slot it in, you should see 4G comes up on your tablet. 4G is there now. Okay, when you're pushing it in, make sure you can see the holes where these bits sticking out, where they go into. Okay, it's in. Now, how to put the glove box back. You're basically going to do the reverse of what you did. You're going to make the bottom clamp onto this stick, and then the top you're going to squeeze. All right, back in. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.